Hello everybody, welcome to the brew cabin, the home of good brews and good plumbing tips. Here's your good brews. Got the pumps in now, got the barrels working it, and I'm just short of company. I'm sure you'd all like to help me and join me down here, but unfortunately we're all locked in, aren't we? I'm locked in the pub, you're locked outside the pub. But that's life for you. Anyway, today's tip is one that Dick Puller has put on the brew cabin forum, tomplum.co.uk, and that's how to hold a pipe when you haven't got a house and you're in somebody's house and you don't want to put it on the worktop or the top of the toilet and break it. So here's how it's done. Here's our big Dick Puller is our representation from Scotland, a land connected to England but miles apart. Years apart, centuries apart. This in the dark ages, and we're not. So, here's the tip. Right, first of all, let's have a look at the problem that you might have. You're working in somebody's home, or you might be on site, and you want to solder this elbow onto this bit. This is 22, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it's 15 milli or 10 milli or whatever size it is. It all works. So you wouldn't like to rest that on there while you solder it, because you might want to do damage to this top or to the side of that. So you'd have to sort of try and hold it up there somewhere, and it's nigh on impossible that way. But Dick's tip is to use your bending machine like this. Use your bending machine to drop the pipe so that it can't go anywhere. You can do it that way, or you can do it, wait a minute, it's probably the better the other way. It's getting cold again now, isn't it? Winter's coming, and soon you plumbers will be busy, won't you? So you can wage that to get somewhere. Now you can see clearly around that, all the way around that, most of the way around that. But you can work all the way around and you're clear of anything in the way, and that'll help you use that as a vise. Leaves both hands free. So there you are then, ladies and gentlemen. That's the way to hold the pipe safely while you solder around it. Just another little quick tip from our Scottish representative, Dick Puller, who's always an helpful chap, and if you need to know anything more than that, you just get in touch with him and he'll help you, as we all will. So anyway, if you've any more good tips, if any of you got good tips like that and you want me to make a video, I'm only too willing to help you out. Right, where's my bloody pint glass now? Oh, what do you think about that then?